Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply brick veneer. First, proper preparation is crucial for a lasting installation. Begin by ensuring your wall structure is sound and capable of supporting the additional weight, which can be around 40 pounds per square foot. Next, install a weather-resistant barrier, such as house wrap, followed by a drainage plane. Finally, securely attach a metal lath or wire mesh to the wall studs, typically using galvanized fasteners spaced every 6 inches. Now let's talk about mortar. Mix your mortar to a consistent, workable texture, following the manufacturer's guidelines precisely. Once mixed, apply a scratch coat of mortar over the entire lath, aiming for a thickness of about 1/2 inch. This coat provides a strong bond for the veneer. Allow this scratch coat to cure for a minimum of 24 hours. Before laying any bricks, establish a perfectly level starting line for your first course. With your scratch coat cured and your starting line set, it's time to lay the bricks. Apply a generous, even bed of mortar to the back of each brick veneer unit. Press each brick firmly into the scratch coat, ensuring excellent adhesion. Maintain a consistent mortar joint thickness, usually around 3/8 of an inch, for a professional appearance. Continuously use a level and a string line to keep your courses perfectly straight and plumb as you work your way up the wall. As you complete each section, tool the mortar joints to your preferred finish, such as a concave or V-joint, before the mortar fully hardens. This step is crucial for both aesthetics and weather resistance. Promptly remove any excess mortar or smudges from the brick faces to prevent permanent staining. Finally, allow the entire brick veneer installation to cure for several days, ideally 5 to 7 days, before considering a breathable sealant for enhanced protection and durability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.